Hi friends, welcome to our new video on artificial intelligence. Today we will be discussing about the heuristic search techniques used in artificial intelligence. This section is very important. So this heuristic search techniques, that is one of the main application of artificial intelligence is what problem solving. So for problem solving, many search algorithms are used in AI. So many traditional algorithms are used in AI applications. So for complex problems, these traditional algorithms were unable to find the solution within the practical time and space limits. So for that some special techniques are being developed by using some heuristic functions. Okay, so this algorithms that uses the heuristic functions, they are called as heuristic algorithms. Clear. So this search algorithms in artificial intelligence can be grouped into two categories. That is, first is uninformed search algorithm and informed search algorithm. Okay, first we will discuss about uninformed search algorithm. Uninformed search algorithm, it is uninformed search. It is also known as blind search or exhaustive search, or it is also known as brute force algorithm. That is, uninformed search algorithm is also known as brute force algorithm, blind search and exhaustive search. Just note the names. Okay. So what you have to know, what is the difference between this uninformed and informed search algorithms. Okay. So this uninformed search means, first point, that is, it do not require information to perform search. That is, we have a problem, right? We have to solve a particular problem, but we don't have any information regarding that problem. That is, how to solve that problem. That is, no hints are provided in uninformed search for solving that particular problem. That is it. They do not require any information to perform the search. Okay, so what happened, it is that this algorithm we will be providing with a start state. We will have a start state, right? And we will be we will have a goal state. So from the start state, we will explore all the possible states, and from that state we will again explore all the possible states. Then finally we will reach the goal. Okay, finally we will reach, that is, we will traverse entire we will traverse every node, that is every node in the search space, every state we will traverse in every state. So thereby it increases the time complexity, that is, it increases the time complexity as well as what space complexity. Thereby it reduce the thereby it will increase the cost, right? So that is, more computational power is required in uninformed search. Okay, so that is it. It increases the time complexity and space complexity. Okay, so the best solution can be achieved. So obviously we will get the optimal solution. We will get an optimal solution. That is, will be best solution can be achieved by using this uninformed search technique. But the time complexity and space complexity and cost, it increases. That is, more computational power is required, and it is less efficient. Okay, efficiency is less. Then it is impractical to solve large search problem. That we will discuss last. Okay, we will discuss, that is, it is impractical to solve large search problem. Then the example that for this uninformed search algorithm is BFS, DFS and bidirectional search. That is, BFS is nothing but breadth first search. Okay, DFS is what? Depth first search. These are the algorithms coming under this uninformed search, and each algorithm we will be discussing in the upcoming video. So uninformed search means, but it does not require, that is, the algorithm, it doesn't require any knowledge for performing the search. Clear? Then next is informed search. Informed search means what? It is also known as heuristic search. Okay, heuristic search. and it first point is that it requires information to perform search. That information we call it as what? Heuristic. That information we call it as heuristic. That is, it requires information to perform such search. That is, for solving a particular problem, we will be providing with some knowledge, some information regarding that problem. Okay, so that we can achieve the goal. So thereby it reduces the time complexity and space complexity can be reduced. That is, a knowledge regarding the problem is there. That is, we have a knowledge about the problem. That is, we are provided with some information regarding the problem. Then good solution can be achieved. Okay, by using this informed search technique, good solution can be achieved, but it will not guarantee that an optimal solution can be achieved. That is, good solution is accepted as optimal solution. Okay, but in uninformed search, it is guaranteed that we will reach an optimal solution. That is, an optimal solution can be achieved by using this uninformed search strategy. But in informed search strategy, we will be getting a good solution, will not get an optimal solution, not guarantee that. Okay, it can handle large search problems. It can be handled in informed search. But it is uninformed, it is impractical to solve large search problem. It is less costly and it is more efficient. Okay, then the algorithms coming under this informed search are A-star algorithm, best first search, hill climbing, and AO-star algorithm. Okay, these algorithms are very important. Okay, so we'll be discussing each algorithm in the upcoming videos. So that is the main difference between this informed and uninformed search strategy. First, informed search strategy, it requires some information to perform search. Uninformed, it doesn't require any information to perform the search. Okay, clear? Let's take an example. That is, you might have heard about traveling salesman problem, right? Traveling salesman problem, TSP. In traveling salesman problem, a salesman is there. He will start from its origin city and then move to another city and then return back to the origin city, right, by covering the minimum distance. So if you apply uninformed search to traveling salesman problem, we need to check n-1 factorial states. Okay, we need to check n-1 factorial states. That is, if there are 5 number of cities, then this uninformed search is applied on it. Okay, if there are 5 number of cities and we are applying uninformed search on it, then 4 factorial states need to be checked by using what? Uninformed searching. So this, it increases what? Time and space complexity. So this is not the best search. Okay, this is not the best search. So if you suppose if you have 100 cities, okay, if you have 100 cities, then what will happen is that the time will be exponentially increases. Right, exponential increase in time. So thereby that will be the biggest drawback, right? If that will so that is I told that it is impractical to solve large search problem. Okay, so it cannot be applied to more number of cities, right? This may not be an good technique. Right, so if you apply TSP to informed search to TSP, traveling salesman problem, in informed search you are applying some heuristic function. That is, you are providing some knowledge about the neighboring cities to the traveling salesman problem. Thereby you can reduce the time complexity and space complexity. That is, this heuristic method is nothing but it just provides an approximate solution to the problem. Okay, it just provides approximate solution to the problem. That is, this heuristic method, it is used when the state space has exponential growth. That is, exponential growth means what? The problem is said to be in non-polynomial. That is, we need to solve the problem in polynomial time. So we need to use what? Heuristic method. That is, informed search to TSP. Informed search to TSP. Thereby we can reduce the time and space complexity. Okay, that is the main difference between this informed and uninformed search. So in informed search, we can handle large search problems, whereas in uninformed search it is impractical to solve large search problems. And note that in informed search will not guarantee that an optimal solution can be achieved, but uninformed search will get an optimal solution. Okay, that is the main difference between informed and uninformed search techniques. And in the next video we will be discussing about the breadth first search and depth first search and bidirectional search in uninformed search algorithms. Okay, after that we will be discussing heuristic and this A star best first search, hill climbing and AO star algorithms in detail. Okay, then thank you.